Hi everybody, thank you for watching Dream Spree Studio Yoga. My name is Shannon. Chappy's here with me. He may walk into the frame. Today we're going to go through a quick 10-minute flow, so let's go ahead and get into it. Sit and get a comfortable seat and close your eyes. Go ahead and start to focus on your breathing. And if you'd like, it's a good time to set an intention for your practice. Maybe something to bring your mind back to in case it begins to wander, and something you can take forward into the rest of your day. And on your next inhale, go ahead and open your eyes. Let's go ahead and inhale the arms up overhead, make pistol fingers, and exhale over to the right side, looking up under the left. Inhale back to center. Exhale over to the left side, looking up under the right. Just keep flowing like that with your inhales and exhales. Last round. And come back to center. Go ahead, arms out to the side. Inhale and exhale over to the left. Bring the right hand over and look behind you over your left shoulder. Inhale back to center and exhale over to the right, looking over your right shoulder. And back to center. We're going to go ahead and come into a tabletop position. So just flip over. Get on your hands and knees. Always make sure that you have your shoulders over your wrists. And we're going to do some cat and cow. So inhale the belly down. And exhale up. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more round. Inhale and exhale. Come to a neutral spine. Going to push up into down dog. So go ahead and hinge at the hips and shoot your booty back towards the back of the mat. Just kind of start pedaling your feet. You can make some movements up and down. Just starting to loosen everything up. And just continue to breathe. And on your next inhale, look between your hands. Step to the front of the mat. Rise all the way up into tall mountain, hands overhead, and hands to heart center in prayer. Go ahead and close your eyes. And on your next inhale, think let. On your next exhale, think go. Inhale, let. Exhale, go. Just let it go. Release the hands back down to the sides. We're going to do 2 Sun Salutation A's. Inhale up, exhale down. Excuse me, man. Forward fold. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Step back into plank. You're going to chaturanga. So drop the knees. Yoga push up. Up dog. Exhale, down dog. Pause for a breath. Look in between your hands. Step forward on the mat. Inhale, rise all the way up. Hands to heart center in prayer. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale down. Forward fold. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Step back. Take your chaturanga. You drop your knees. Yoga push up. Up dog. Exhale, down dog. Pause for a breath. And on your next inhale, lift the right foot up. Just as far as you can behind you and hold it. Keep breathing. And bring the right foot down. Now, bring the left foot up behind you just as far as you can. Pausing for a few breaths. And bring the foot back down. Look in between your hands. Step the right foot forward. Coming into lunge. Bring the hands up to frame the right knee. And when you've got some stability here, lift both arms up overhead. Holding this for a few breaths. Make sure that your knee is going out towards your pinky toes. You want to protect the knee at all times. And now spin the left foot parallel with the back of the mat. Open up into Warrior Two. Gazing over the right hand. Continue to breathe. Now flip the right hand over. I'm going to reach back down the left leg. Come back into Peaceful Warrior. Inhale back up through center and Warrior Two. Frame the front foot. Step back into plank. Take your vinyasa. Drop the knees. Chaturanga. Up dog. Exhale, down dog. On your next inhale, lift the left leg up. Step it in between your hands. Come up into a lunge, framing the left knee with the hands. And when you have some stability, go ahead and lift the arms up. Just continue to breathe, drawing the shoulders down the back. And now, turn the right foot parallel with the back of the mat. Open up into Warrior Two. Gazing over the fingers in front of you. Flip the front hand over. Reach back with the right hand down the leg. Come back into Peaceful Warrior. Inhale back up through center and Warrior Two. Cartwheel down to frame the foot. Step back into plank. Take your Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. And come down into Child's Pose. Just bring the feet wide, or rather the knees wide. Put the butt back. And bring the forehead down to the mat. You can bring the hands to the sides. Pausing for a couple breaths. And on your next inhale, go ahead and come back to tabletop. And come down to a seat. Go ahead, come into staff pose. Inhale, arms up overhead. And exhale, forward fold. Just continue to breathe into the stretch. Maybe come down a little more with each exhale. On your next inhale, come back up. Bend both knees. I'm going to wrap the right arm around both knees. Bring the left arm behind you and just twist. Come into a twist. Look behind you. And come back through center. Wrap the left arm around. Bring the right arm behind you. And look behind you. Nice, easy twist. Bless you. Come back through center. Go ahead and come down to the mat. Bring the knees up. Give yourself a big hug because you did awesome today. And release into Shavasana. Just let it all go. Begin to relax from the top of your head. Let your jaw go slack. Relax across your chest, your stomach, your hips, your knees, all the way down to your feet. Releasing the effort of your practice. You could stay here in Shavasana as long as you'd like, if you have time. Otherwise, go ahead and start making some movements with the fingers and toes, the ankles and wrists. Stretch out long for one more stretch. And roll over to one side into the fetal position. Pause for a moment. And using your hands, press yourself back up into a comfortable seat. Your hands back to the knees and close your eyes. Do a quick scan of the body, see how it feels differently than when you began your practice. And thank yourself for coming to your mat today and taking the time to do something good for you. Bring your hands to heart center in prayer. Let's open our eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I put up new videos every week. Also, you can check out my website at dreamspreestudio.com. See where I'm teaching in person. You guys take care out there, and I'll see you next time.